This one you wanted me to talk about, and I don't even know where to go with it. I have awkward feelings about it. This is some next level ASMR. It's number 4 on trending right now. So how can we avoid that? ASMR in trending, or maybe it's 5 now. Anyways, the title of the video, ASMR Next Level for Brain Melting Tingles and Deep Sleep. And it is some futuristic looking ASMR stuff with blue lighting and an alien looking face in there and all kinds of sound effects. And then it's looped a few times for 35 minutes. And the description is warning you it'll be the deepest level of sleep you've ever experienced in your life.
Oh, boy.
I mean, I don't know. There's obviously people that are into this. For me, it's a little much. But it does seem futuristic. I was saying to you, if this guy's head was chopped off, like this frame right here, with the 3-dimensional component that you receive through the stereo recording of the sound, it certainly creates an experience. Mm-hmm. You can't deny it. It just allows you to place things with greater detail, and it almost surprises you the ability of your ears to discern the location of objects when you're really paying attention and things have been recorded in real stereo, proper stereo binaural sound. So this will give you that experience, but it is, my God, it has some weird like interrogation vibe or alien abduction. Like what are they, like look at the 5, 6 different playing with the goo and the light beam, but
very sterile.
Very sterile. It feels futuristic in a way. I mean, maybe eventually this is what we're all watching. Maybe this is what the aliens are watching right now. Maybe all traditional forms of entertainment and conversation, they all end, and eventually, in the future, 200 years from now, or 100 years from now, we're all just sitting in front of screens doing this, that are doing this. Maybe that's the way it goes. I'm not convinced. I'm prepared to put up a fight myself. But hey, it's the cool thing about YouTube, man. Any community for anything, and you will find varieties of it and levels of detail and levels of production that you never expected to find there. And I can give a shout out here to ASMR Zeitgeist for taking a thing to another level, because that's the feeling I get looking at this. Some futuristic content for the future.